We begin this evening with news that a Chinese businessman has been charged after hundreds of boxes containing banned plastic bags were found at a supermarket in St. James. We have the details in this report.
The mission Operation Restore Paradise, the target, Best Value Supermarket on Barnett Street in Montego Bay, St. James. A joint team including members of the security forces, representatives from the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA and the Jamaica Customs swooped down on the business place Wednesday afternoon. The authorities were led here after reports that the owner had been distributing single-use plastic bags to other Chinese businesses in Montego Bay. After a raid of the premises, hundreds of boxes containing the banned product. According to a police source, they were found hidden in a container. The operation, which started at 3 p.m., ended around 7 last evening. The owner of the supermarket was charged. He's to face the courts on June 5th. He's facing a fine of up to $2 million or a maximum of 2 years imprisonment. Efforts to speak to personnel on the ground were unsuccessful. However, onlookers had lots to say.
Me clean, drain, and the most encounter I can encounter with is ladder bag. Then ladder bag, then litter the place, all both over the place. Now rotten.
The plastic bag is one. Yes, I understand you go to the plantain route and the banana route and no rotten, but the plastic bags do almost the same. Because when you go down by the gully there and look the amount that go in the sea, what they are doing with all these bags, with all these backers, they still will find a solution for them because, I mean, cutting out the bag is one, but they still have millions of backers still coming in the country.
The ban on single-use plastic bags came into effect in January of this year.